Such dignity.
The birds are out
At
already.
which point the other bow, Bo the Breaker, goes ahead.
I say, hey Asha, because I was kind of totally on your shoulder. Heard you talking about my friend, Chester. Yeah.
I didn't mean anything by it. I just.
No, dude. No. She's never mentioned a significant other, so I mean.
Oh, I'm not looking for anything. I just.
Will you hold me through the show?
Oh my God.
Cradle me?
I mean, that's an extra charge. We do that, though.
How much?
Well, it's an extra 5 gold pieces.
Gold?
5 gold?
These arms are worth a lot.
It's a very swaddling hug. You've never experienced anything like it.
It's gonna be.
The full experience.
It's the best way to see the show if that's how you want it.